So now let's talk about some of the more important resources for you to get started in StackBuy and make this platform a platform of choice for your teams. So one of the first things I want to discuss is our real-time product roadmap. So we've launched a new product roadmap tool earlier this year, where you can see the roadmap in terms of the new features that we're building in mobile or on web. And you can see it, which ones are under review, which ones are planned, which ones are in progress, and which ones have been done. So you can easily do that. I can go to feature request and I can add any feature request, and you can basically upvote on existing feature requests or even comment on it to show some seriousness. So you can add a feature request, and our real-time weekly change logs are also added here. So all the new things that we basically push across desktop, mobile, or web are essentially added here, and you can see it, which bugs have been fixed, what new improvements have been there in StackBuy on a week-on-week basis. So this is the first place you want to be as soon as you sign into StackBuy. The second place are our communities. So we run two different communities. One is a self-hosted community where you can discuss anything about your stack design, your workflow design, formulas, and look at all the latest announcements on StackBuy on new features and improvements. And if you are active on Facebook, we also run a StackBuy Facebook official community, where we have currently more than 2,000 members across two different groups. One is a no-code community, another is a StackBuy official community. And we keep posting a lot of our features and new improvements and announcements on these communities as well. Now, the last thing I want to discuss is StackBuy pricing. There are two different types of pricing plans in StackBuy. And as I said earlier, your pricing is attached to a workspace. So once you log into StackBuy, you essentially get a 14 days business trial where all your, so as soon as you sign up, you get 14 days of trial to use it on our best plan, which is a business plan. And once that 14 days is over, it automatically moves to a free forever plan, where you can continue using StackBuy for free. And once you hit the limits, you can then look at one of the subscription plans to go on a monthly basis or on an annual basis. So you click here, you will see that I'm on the business 50 users plan. But if I'm looking at, if I want to pay monthly, if I'm a single person, I start at $5 per user per month. If I'm, a small team, economy plan starts at $9 and business starts at $18 per user per month. And we have annual plans as well, where we have packaged this pricing into different categories for economy and business. So based on the number of people in your team, it automatically changes, right? So this is annual plan on economy and same way on business. And the difference between economy and business is the number of team members you can add, storage, number of rows per stack, API connectors, revision history. And on the business plan, you will essentially get more storage, more rows, more API connectors, StackBuy Power-Ups, StackBuy Apps Marketplace, and all the new features that we release are essentially given to the business plan. So yeah, this is a little bit about StackBuy. I hope this getting started tutorial really gave you a sense of the things that you can achieve with StackBuy. We're constantly adding more features as we go on a daily and weekly basis. So our commitment to the product has been phenomenal. We've been doing this for the last 5 years, and you just have to give it a try and give us your feedback and let us know what you want to see in StackBuy and what you'd like to achieve in StackBuy. So I look forward to seeing you guys and meeting you guys on the other side. Thanks a lot. Feel free to email us on support@stackbuy.com if at all you have any questions, and our team will be happy to answer as soon as possible. So thanks a lot once again, and just enjoy this getting started tutorial on StackBuy. Cheers.